Children, in this video I am going to explain you 10th standard arithmetic progressions exercise 1.3 third main 6th sum. Here they have given first term of the AP, that is a equal to 2, and common difference d is 8, and sum of the n terms. We don't know how many terms are there in this AP. We have to find that. We need to find n here, and the nth term of the AP we need to find here, means which is the last term. Nth term means which is the last term we need to find, and how many terms are there in that AP we have to find it. They have given sum of the n terms, means if you add all the terms, how much we are going to get is 90 they have given. So we need to find n and an here. How many number of terms and the last term of the AP we have to find it. Using the Sn formula, we'll find n first, then we have to find an using an formula. An formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. Now Sn formula will write and find n value first. So what is the Sn formula is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here Sn value is 90 is equal to n, we don't know, we need to find that. So n by 2 into 2, a value is 2, we'll substitute that, 2 is given here, plus n minus 1 into d, d value is 8 here. Now this 2 is whole bracket is there, so this 2 you can transfer left side. So 90 into 2 equal to n into 2 2 is a 4 plus n minus 1 into 8 is there. 8 you multiply inside the bracket. 8 into n is 8n minus 8. See here, 8 into n is 8n minus 8 into 1 is 8. Like that I multiplied inside the bracket. 90 into 2 is 180 is equal to n into, here 4 minus 8 is minus 4 will get. So 8n I'll write as it is. These two are the constant terms. We can subtract it because 1 is minus, 1 is plus. So 8 minus 4 is 4, and bigger number is 8, that is containing negative sign, so it is minus 4. Now n I'll multiply inside the bracket. N, if you multiply inside the bracket, n into 8n is 8n square minus n into 4 is 4n. Like this we got. Here we have got quadratic equation actually. You already learned about quadratic equation in 9th standard and how to solve the quadratic equation by tree method or by splitting the middle term method. Like that we have to solve and find the n value here. Now what I will do is, this 180 also I will transfer right side. Then here left side 0 will remain. So in 180 also if you take left side, here right side what you will get it, 8n square as it is I am writing, minus 4n. This 180 if you take right side it will become plus 180 will become minus 180. Now the equation we got is 8n square minus 4n minus 180 is equal to 0. Just I rearranged and wrote here. Now from all these three terms, means 8, 4n and 180, we can take 4 common. So if I take 4 common, means we are dividing throughout the equation by 4. Taking common is, what is the meaning of taking common? We are dividing throughout the equation by 4. We can do that. So if I divide 8 by 4 means we'll get 2n square. And here if you divide 4n by 4 means n. Here 180 by 4 if you do, 180 by 4, 4 ones are 4 fours are, here 2 remains 20, 4 fives are. So what will get it here? 45 equal to 0. This 4 if you transfer here, 0 by 4 will become 0 only. So equation we got is minus n, 2n square minus n minus 45 equal to 0. See, we can solve this equation also, but it is little bit bigger numbers are there here, 188, 4. If you can simplify, and then you can solve it. Then it is easy to solve the equation. Now I will solve this equation by tree method. Means first time last term I will multiply. You know that method already. I hope you know that method. 2n square and 45 if you multiply, 2 into 45 is 90 n square. These are the upper term up you should write, and this middle term with the sign here also, with the sign you should write. This is plus, this is minus, so it is minus here. This middle number also you should write with the sign, so that is minus n. See, first and last term you should multiply with the sign. 2 into 45 is 90. Here plus into minus is minus. N square we wrote it. And middle term with the sign as it is you should write. It is like 1n. Nothing is there, means 1 will be there here. Now what we have to do is, if you multiply any two numbers, you have to get 90n square. If you add or subtract, means you have to get 1n. Which are the two numbers like that? And you have to think that. So 90 will come in the 10 table. So 10 nines are 90. And the rule is, in the 10 and 9, which is bigger number? Bigger number is 10. So you should write 10 here first and a 9 afterwards. So constant is here, variable is n. So 10n and 9n. And we want to get the answer in negative. And here also you want to get negative. So which is bigger number here? Here you should take minus, here you have to take plus. 1 plus into minus is minus. Minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1. Like this we have to get it. Now I'll split this 1n as a minus 10n and plus 9n. So 2n square as it is, I'll write it. And in place of minus 1n, we have to write minus 10n plus 9n. This minus 45 as it is, I'll write it. I hope you understood this step. First I multiplied first and last term and wrote here, and this middle term here. If you multiply any two numbers, you have to get this number. If you add or subtract, you have to get this down number. Those numbers are 10n and 9n. So, and sign also you should see. Here you have to get minus 1n. So I have taken minus for 10 plus for 9. And if you multiply these two, minus into plus is minus. You have to get like this. You have to write it. Now I splitted minus 1n as a minus 10n plus 9n. 10n plus 10 minus 9 is 1 and minus 1, because bigger number is containing negative sign here. So now from these two we can take 2n common. 2n if you take common, here n will remain minus, here taking common means it is like dividing. So 2n if you divide to 10, 10n by 2n will come 5. Here from these two I will take 9 common, because in the 9 table 45 will come. So n minus 5. Here now all these, here n minus 5 is common, here n minus 5 is common. So n minus 5 into, here what remains? 2n plus 9 equal to 0. Now this is also equal to 0 and this equation is also equal to 0. But if you equate this to 0, you will get answer as 2n minus plus 9, no? Plus 9 equal to 0. If you take 2n is equal to minus 9, n is equal to minus 9 by 2. Always n, number of terms will be positive and it should be in the whole number, not in the fraction. So this answer we are not going to get. So we should consider only n minus 5 equal to 0. n minus 5 equal to 0 means n equal to 5. Means how many terms are there in that AP? Number of terms are in the AP are 5. Now we got n value here. So we should not consider this, because n value is minus 9 by 2. We will not get number of terms in the negative or in the fraction. So n value what we got it here? N equal to 5. Now we need to find an. Means n is 5, no? So we need to find a5. We were not knowing about n, so they told you to find an. So actually it is a5 now, because we got n value is a5 is equal to a plus 4d. We know the formula for a5. A5 value is a plus 4d, or an formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. In place of n, if you substitute 5 means you'll get a plus 4d. So a5 is equal to a value is 2 plus 4 into d value is 8. So 2 plus 4 8s are 32. So answer will get as 36. That is a5, or we can call that as an also, because the n is 5 here. After finding n, we got to know that is an. So an or a5 is equal to 36 and n value is 5 here. This method is important. Everywhere we are going to use this method while solving the sum. Please revise this once. I already solved these like this sums in my videos. If you want, watch those videos also. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.